येनाक्षरसमां नायमधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। येन धौता गिरः पुंसां विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। अथ शब्दानुशासनम्। अथ माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि अ इ उन ऋलृक् ए ओङ् ऐ औच् हयवरट् लण् ञमगणनं जभै घडदश् जबगडदश् खप चटत चटत कपै शर्थर हल् इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि। अथ अष्टाध्यायी सूत्रपाठः। चतुर्थोऽध्यायः चतुर्थः पादः। रक्षो यातूनां हननी।
रक्षो यातूनां हननी रक्षो यातूनां हननी
रेवती जगति हविष्याभ्यः प्रशस्ये।
रेवती जगति हविष्याभ्यः प्रशस्ये रेवती जगति हविष्याभ्यः प्रशस्ये
असुरस्य स्वम्
असुरस्य स्वम्
मायायामन्
मायायामन्
तद्वानासामुपधानो मन्त्र इतीष्टकासु लुक् च मतोः।
तद्वानासामुपधानो मन्त्र इतीष्टकासु लुक् च मतोः तद्वानासामुपधानो मन्त्र इतीष्टकासु लुक् च मतोः अश्विमानन्
वयस्यासु मूर्ध्नो मतुप्
वयस्यासु मूर्ध्नो मतुप्
मत्वर्थे मास तन्वोः
मत्वर्थे मास तन्वोः मधोर्ण्यच
ओजसो हनि यत्खौ
ओजसो हनि यत्खौ
वेशो यश आदेर्भगद्यादल्
वेशो यश आदेर्भगाद्यल्
खच
खच
पूर्वैः कृतमिनयौ च
पूर्वैः कृतमिनयौ च
अद्भिः संस्कृतम् सहस्रेण संमितौघः मतौ च सोममर्हति यः मये च मधोः वसोः समूहे च नक्षत्राद्घः सर्वदेवात् तातिल् शिवशमरिष्टस्य करे भावे च प्राग्वहतेरपमित्यधर्मं शीलं हलपरिषदो रक्षो नक्षत्राच्चत्वारि
प्राग्वहतेरपमित्यधर्मं शीलं हलपरिषदो रक्षो नक्षत्राच्चत्वारि प्राग्वहतेरपमित्य धर्मं शीलं हलपरिषदो रक्षो नक्षत्राच्चत्वारि
इति पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे चतुर्थाध्याये चतुर्थः पादः
इति पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे चतुर्थाध्याये चतुर्थः पादः इति पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे चतुर्थाध्याये चतुर्थः पादः
So today Rao Mahodaya is not present. Okay, he was Rao. अद्य कः
महोदय एका शंका अस्ति महोदय श्लोक नंबर 133 अस्मिन् पुस्तके कृतमिनियौच इति अस्ति
कृतमिनियौच मिनियौच वा
अस्मिन् पुस्तके मिनियौच इति अस्ति
अस्मिन् पुस्तके चौकाम्बा वा
चौकाम्बा आम्
मिनियौ ओके मिनयौ इत्येव साधु इति दृश्यते तथापि विदुषां सम्पर्कं कृत्वा सूचयिष्यामि अग्रिमकक्षायां
धन्यवादः
इदानीं कः अस्ति अत्र प्रथम अदर पीपल रामचंद्रन श्रीनिवासन
तृतीय अध्याय प्रथम पादे 41 to 67 विधान कुर्वन्त्वित्यन्यतरस्याम् अभ्युत्सादयां प्रजनयां शिकयां रमयाम कपावयां क्रिया द्विधां क्रन्निधि छन्दसि श्लीलुङ्गी श्लेषिचः सालयुगुपदात् नृटक्सः श्लिष आलिङ्गने निःसृतृभ्यो कर्तरि चङ् नदृशः विभाषाघेक्षुभ्योः गुपेश्चन्दसि नोणयति ध्वन्यत्केलयति अत्तयतिभ्यः अस्यदि वक्ति ख्यातिभ्यो अतिभ्यो लिपिसिचिह्वश्च आत्मनेपदेषु अन्यतरस्यां पुषादिद्युदाद्लुरुदितः परस्मैपदेषु सस्ति सास्त्यतिभ्यश्च ईरितो वा तुम्भो मृचो मृचो घृचो घृचो ग्लिञ्जो सुभ्यश्च सुभ्यश्च कृ मृ दृ ऋभ्योश्चन्दसि चिन्ते पदः तावदेव.
So I think yesterday Ram Mahodaya has chanted. Now today I think Vaishnavi is ready to chant the full pada. Purna padam va Vaishnavi.
Mahodaya.
So let us all hear to Vaishnavi. We have been hearing her always, but she is now telling without seeing the book full pada.
प्रत्ययः परश्च आद्युदात्तश्च अनुदात्तौ सुप्तितौ गुप्तिच्किद्भ्यः सन् मान्वधदांशान्भ्यो दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य धातोः कर्मणः समानकर्तृकादिच्छायां वा सुपात्मनः क्यच काम्यच्च उपमानादाचारे कर्तुः क्यंसलोपश्च भृशादिभ्यो भुव्यच्वेर्लोपश्च हलः लोहितादिडाज्भ्यः क्यश कष्टाय क्रमणे कर्मणो रोमन्थतपोभ्यां वर्तिचरोः बाष्पोष्मभ्यामुद्वमने शब्दवैरकलहाभ्रकण्वमेघेभ्यः करणे सुखादिभ्यः कर्तृवेदनायां नमो वरिवश्चित्रङ्गः क्यच उच्छभाण्डचीवराण्णिं मुण्डमिश्रश्लक्ष्णलवणव्रतवस्त्रहलकलकृततूष्टेभ्यो णिच धातोरेकाचो हलादेः क्रियासमभिहारेयं नित्यं कौटिल्ये गतौ लुपसदचरजपदः दशगृभ्यो भावगर्हायां सत्यापपाशरूपवीणातूलश्लोकसेना लोमत्वचवर्मवर्णचूर्णचुरादिभ्यो णिच हेतुमति च कण्ड्वादिभ्यो यक् गुपूधूपविक्षिपणिपनिभ्य आयः ऋतेरीयं कमेर्निं आयादयार्धधातुके वा सनाद्यन्ता धातवः स्यतासीलृलुटोः सिब्बहुलं लेटि कास्प्रत्ययादाममन्त्रे लिटि इजादेश्च गुरुमतो नृच्छः दयायासश्च उषविदजागृभ्योऽन्यतरस्यां भीह्रीभृहुवां श्लुवच्च कृञ्चानुप्रयुज्यते लिटि विदां कुर्वन्त्वित्यन्यतरस्याम् अभ्युत्सादयां प्रजनयां चिकयां रमयामकः पावयां क्रियाद्विदामकृन्नितिच्छन्दसि स्लिलुङि श्लेषिच शलैकुपधादनिटः क्षः श्लिशालिङ्गने न दृशः निश्रिदृशृभ्यः कर्तरिचं विभाषाधेक्ष्योः गुपेश्छन्दसि नोनयति ध्वनयत्येलयत्यर्दयतिभ्यः अस्यति वक्तिख्यातिभ्यो लिपिसिचिह्वश्च आत्मनेपदेष्वन्यतरस्यां पुषादिद्युताद्लिदितः परस्मैपदेषु सर्तिशास्त्यर्तिभ्यश्च इरितो वा जृस्तम्भुमृचु मृचु गुरुचु ग्लुचु ग्लुञ्चुश्रिभ्यश्च कृमृदृभिभ्यश्छन्दसि चिन्ते पदः दीपजनबुधपूरिता इप्यायिभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम् अचः कर्मकर्तरि न रुधः तपोनुतापे च चिण्भावकर्मणोः
दुहश्च
अचः कर्मकर्तरि दुहश्च न रुधः तपोनुतापे च चिण्भावकर्मणोः सार्वधातुके यक् कर्तरिषप् दिवादिभ्यश्यन् वाभ्राशभ्राशभ्रमुक्रमुक्लमुत्रसि त्रुटिलशः यशोनुपसर्गात् संयसश्च स्वादिभ्यश्नुः श्रुवश्रुच अक्षोऽन्यतरस्यां तनूकरणे तक्षः तुदादिभ्यश्यः रुधादिभ्यश्नं तनादिक्रीभ्य उः धिन्विकृण्योरच क्रियादिभ्यश्न स्तम्भुस्तुम्भुस्कम्भुस्कुम्भुस्कुभ्यश्नुश्च हलश्नश्चानद्धौ छन्दसि चाय जपि व्यत्ययो बहुलं लिङ्ग्याशिष्यं कर्मवत् कर्मणा तुल्यक्रियः तपस्तपः कर्मकस्यैव न दुहस्नु नमां यक्षिणौ कृशिरजोः प्राचांस्यन् परस्मैपदञ्च धातोः तत्रोपपदं सप्तमीस्थं कृदतिं वासरूपो स्त्रियां कृत्याः तव्यत्तव्यानीयरः अचोयत् ओरदुपधात् शकिसहोश्च गदमदचरयमश्चानुपसर्गे अवद्यपण्यवर्यागर्ह्यपणितव्यानिरोधेषु वह्यङ्करणम् अर्यस्वामि वैश्ययोः उपसर्या काल्या प्रजने अजर्यं सङ्गतं वदस्सुपिक्यप्च भुवो भावे हनस्तच एतिस्तुषा सुहृदृजुषः क्यप् ऋतुपधाच्चाक्लिपिच्छ्रितेः ईच खनः भ्रियो संज्ञायां ऋजेर्विभाषा राजसूय सूर्यमृषोद्य रुच्य कुप्यकृष्टपत्या व्यथ्याः भिद्योऽध्यौ नदे पुष्यसिद्ध्यौ नक्षत्रे विपूय विनीय जित्यामुञ्जकल्कहलिषु प्रत्यपिभ्यां ग्रहेश्छन्दसि पदास्वैरिबाह्या पक्ष्येषु च विभाषाकृवृषोः युग्यञ्च पत्रे अमावास्यदन्यतरस्यां छन्दसि निष्टर्क्य देवहूय प्रणीयोन्नीयोच्छिष्यमर्यस्तर्याध्वर्यखन्यखान्यदेवयज्ञा देवयज्ञा पृच्छ्यप्रतिशीव्य ब्रह्मवाद्य भाव्यस्ताव्योपचाय्य प्रणानि गृहलोर्ण्यत् ओरावश्यके आसुयुवपि रपितरपि चमश्च आनाय्यो नित्ये प्रणाय्यो सम्मतौ पायसान्नाय्य निकाय धाय्यमानहविर्निवाससामिधेनीषु क्रतौ कुण्डपाय्य सञ्चाय्यौ अग्नौ परिचाय्योपचाय्य समूह्याः चित्याग्निचित्ये च नुल्तृचौ नन्दिग्रहिपचादिभ्यो ल्युणिन्यचः इकुपधज्ञा प्रीकिरः कः आतश्चोपसर्गे पाघ्राध्माधे दृशस्यः अनुपसर्गाल्लिम्पविन्दधारि पारिवेद्युजेति चेति साति साहिभ्यश्च ददाति दधात्योर्विभाष ज्वलितिकसन्तेभ्यो नः स्याद्व्यधासृसंस्रवतीर्णवः वसावहृलिश्लिशश्वश्च दुन्योननुपसर्गे विभाषाग्रहः गेहेकः शिल्पिनिषुन् गस्थगन् ञिर्च रश्च व्रीहिकालयोः पृसृल्वः समभिहारे मुन् आशिश् च प्रत्ययमुण्डविदान्दीपजनक्रियादिभ्यो वद्य युग्यञ्च स्याद्व्यधादश इति पाणिनीय सूत्रपाठे च तृतीयाध्याये प्रथमः पादः
141 पुनः वदतु स्याद्वथा
स्याद्व्यधासृ संस्रवतीर्ण वसावहृलिश्लिशश्वश्च
अस्तु सम्यक् उक्तम् अतीव समीचीनतया उक्तं let us all give her a clap so she is the fifth अतीव समीचीनतया she is the fifth persona sixth persona she is the fifth person
sir. First one is Sumati, second one is Deepika, third one is Meenakshi Shyam, and fourth one is Kalyani VNS, and fifth one is
Vaishnavi.
Vaishnavi.
Fifth one is Rao, sixth one is Vaishnavi. Yesterday Rao sir I think told. Okay, yes. I think so.
Madam asked him to read it once again. Fifth name kya? Kim?
Somebody told 100 sutras and stopped day before yesterday. Who was that? Oh, I forgot.
That was a voice.
Varun Nanduri.
Varun Nanduri. So he will again come. He will finish in at least by this week. Next week he will finish. Okay. So let us see if he can reach double digits very fast. Okay. There are 36 people in this class who are attending this class, as per my knowledge. Some people come on Monday, Friday. Some people come on only Monday. Some people come on only Friday. Some people come on Monday, Friday, Wednesday, Friday. Some people come on all days. So different types of people is there. I don't blame anybody. But 36 people are attending now. We had 60. When we started, it was 120. We came to 60. Along with Amarakosha. When Amarakosha stopped, I think many of them have stopped. I don't know why they have stopped. Then this daylight saving, I think, is creating some problems for US people. So that also is there. Some US people have stopped. Anyway, some have written a mail to me saying that they will continue, and they will continue through the recordings. Some have expressed their inability. Some have said we will continue, and some have. So now next, before I ask some others to chant and other things, see, for Vaishnavi everybody is praising. Surya Narayan, Panchanadan, Meenakshi, everybody have sent the appreciations. So by default, next batch of Ashtadhyayi, Vaishnavi and Kalyani and Sumati, they should lead the next batch. Or you should run a parallel batch along with me. You should have one more batch. See, some people cannot come because of timing. So you can see, the best way to learn is to teach. The best way to learn is to teach. So if you really want to keep this in our memory, each one of us have to start one batch. That is the final goal. I want to give you step-by-step goals. Because if I tell that goal now, other 5 people will drop today itself. I'm very afraid of sharing my own goals and dreams with everybody. So now there are two, since you are all there now, senior people, everybody is there. I will be discussing this in 2 classes. So one important point before chanting continues. Now that we have finished 4th Adhyaya, 4th Pada, We are almost finishing this. That means 4 adhyayas over. Half of Ashtadhyayi, technically half of Ashtadhyayi is done. I would request Vaishnavi to calculate the number of sutras in 4 adhyayas. Side by side, you calculate and let me know in next 5 minutes. How many sutras are there in the 4 adhyayas? So Vaishnavi, while she is calculating, we have finished 4 adhyayas. Now the objective is to memorize these sutras. See, I have different ways of finishing this course. If it is just finishing the course, I can say that technically I can start the 5th adhyaya now, and I can say, okay, let us start this, and I can continue in the same mode, like 20 or 40 sutras per week. That is one option. The other option is I will teach once. Vaishnavi or Kirtana or Kalyani will repeat, or Sumati will repeat. We all will listen. You know how to pronounce. You have any doubts, I will ask. And then I can technically go faster. That is one method is there. That is, I teach once and Guru Mukhena Upadesha, something is happening. This is one more method. The third method is I stop at 4th adhyaya now. We continue the classes. We are not stopping the classes. We will do revision of 3rd and 4th adhyaya, where you all will recite, like you are all reciting 3-1 now. Like that 3-1, 3rd, Tritiya adhyaya, 2nd pada, that also is one option to continue. Now, if I keep on doing 5, 6, 7, 8, technically I will finish in this space. All of you know, if you can, all of you can sit and calculate how many sutras left over. So every week 40 sutras means how many weeks this class will get over. There may be some weeks where we may take 2 or 3 weeks some break or something. Maybe I am not available, or some festival comes, some Parayanam comes for me. That time I may not be take the class. So it will be 1 or 2 weeks only in a year. Technically, full week closure means it will not happen very easily unless I have some Parayanam or something which is there at that time, and I am out of station, or some travel is there. Now that COVID is slightly reducing in India, people are traveling. Trains have started. Everybody has lost the fear of COVID. So these things are there currently. These things are there. Now, what is the good thing? Though I will be taking the decisions after all your inputs, but I will not be basing the decision on. I see there are 2 approaches. I have done a PhD in Sanskrit e-learning systems. Okay. Now, what I am asking is a learner-centric approach. I am asking the learners, what is that you all want? That is what I am asking. This is learner-centric approach. The teacher-centric approach, all of you know. What I tell is something which is teacher-centric approach. All of you listen to me. That is teacher-centric approach. Then there is something called in our Upanishads. There is one small statement. Acharya Purva Rupam Antevasyuktara Rupam Vidya Sandhi. So the Sandhi is Vidya and not Acharya or Antevasi. That means neither the Acharya nor the student, neither the teacher nor the student centric approach is fine, is good, but it has to be subject centric approach. That is learning centric approach. Okay. Now what modern people are telling, it has to be learner centric approach. Then only these. Now this sloka, just if I have never cracked jokes in my class, right? So I will crack one joke today. That I don't know whether you all will laugh or not, but still I will crack one joke. There is one shloka, Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha. Now the shloka is changed. Sishyo Brahma, Sishyo Vishnu, Sishyo Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parama, Sishya Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Sishyaya Namo Namaha. This is one shloka. Nowadays, if you want people to learn something, even the teachers, college students, everybody, Sishyaya Namo Namaha, Sishyo Brahma, Sishyo Guru. What Sishya is telling, the teacher is listening. So this is learner-centric approach. This is modern information age. They say this is the approach we have to beat. we have to use. But I did a research in my research. I have made it as learning centric approach. In my research, I have told neither it should be teacher centric approach, nor it should be student centric approach. It should be the subject centric approach or the Vishaya. So now Ashtadhyayi is the Vishaya. Ashtadhyayi has to be done, learnt in a particular way, and time tested proven way is there for learning Ashtadhyayi. That is the method which anybody has to adopt. Neither the student should ask for shortcuts if he wants to really learn Ashtadhyayi, nor the teacher should adopt any shortcut. This is the secret of our Upanishads. Okay, I am aware of all the perspectives when I am asking this question, but we are opening this question for a discussion. There are three options to continue this Ashtadhyayi class. One is one option, I will just repeat. One option is to go for the 5th Adhyaya, which is normal speed. Second option is to go in a faster speed and finish the 8 Adhyayas, wherein I will teach the 40 sutras in one day. Then next day I will go for the next 40 sutras. I will ask if you have some doubts. I will ask. The next day I will go for next 40 sutras, and finally I finish the 8 Adhyayas. This is one approach. The third approach is I do not go further, but work with you people so that you by heart the 3rd Adhyaya, and we take a test for 3rd Adhyaya, and then go similarly to the 4th Adhyaya. And when you all finish 3rd Adhyaya, I start the 5th Adhyaya, wherein there is always a gap of 1 Adhyaya. We will always be practicing the old one and going ahead with the next new one. That much of gap we can keep. That is the third option. Now 3 options are there. Each one of you, I want you to let me know, and I want Pratibha Bhagini to just take the note of option 1, how many people are voting for option 1, option 2, how many people, how many, third one, how many people. So we'll take everybody's this one. If possible, you can take the name. I will tell the name of the person also. That is just nothing to do with the options. Whatever you are comfortable, you can let me know. But finally, I will take a decision what is required for Ashtadhyayi learning. Whether it is 1 person, 2 persons, 10 persons, 25 people, or it is finally that is a decision. But I would still like to take the opinion and do the best for the learners. Now I will start with, let us start with Andrew Hillam, because I will go in the alphabetical order as per this one. Andrew.
Yes, option 3.
Option 3. Okay. Option 3. Okay. Andrew Hillam, option 3. So Pratibha Bhagini, you know what are the 3 options? So hope you should not change the option number and this one. Option 1 is continue in the same way, 40 sutras per week. Option 2 is quickly finish Ashtadhyayi with 40 sutras per week. Now that other people are not by hearting, can we do it? Option 3 is work with the students, make sure that everybody by hearts the Prathama Pada and then proceed. That is option 3. So Andrew Hillam has chosen option 3. Anita, next is Anita.
Option 1, sir.
Option 1, okay.
Continue
B.R.
the way
Venkatesh.
you are going.
Okay, Venkatesh Sharma. Venkatesh Sharma. Venkatesh Sharma Mahodaya. I think he's a new student, but I know him, so I can take the option from him later also. Venkatesh Sharma Mahodaya, can you unmute and tell your option? Okay.
Option 1, sir.
Option 1, go as now as we are going, let us go like that. Okay. Kalyani.
Option 3, sir.
Option 3, BNS Kalyani. Okay. BNS Vaishnavi.
Option 3, sir.
Okay. Well, see, people who are telling option 3, please be aware that we will not be completing the course in 2 years. We will take 1 more year, or how much our year we may take. By the time we finish Ashtadhyayi, we also don't know. We will take whatever time is required. So option 3, people who are telling option 3, you should know that it will take more time to finish this. Okay. Issue. BNS Kalyani, BNS Vaishnavi, option 3. Issue
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்து 40 சொல்றதா?
Issue, I think, have you heard what I told? Okay, we'll come to issue. Kirtana M.
Option 3.
Option 3. Madhavi.
Option 3, Mahodaya.
Option 3. Nagashri Ganesh.
Option 3, Mahodaya.
Panchanadam sir. Panchanadam.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you, sir.
Yeah. Option. I will go for option 1.
Option 1. Okay. Pragun and Vihan.
Sir, option 3.
3. Prasanna. Prasanna V. Prasanna V. Pratibha. Prasanna, what is your option?
First option, Mahodaya.
First option. Pratibha Sarangapani.
Option 3, Mahodaya.
Option 3. Ramachandran Srinivasan.
I have already indicated it's option 1.
Option 1. Sorry, sir. I did not see the message, but I'm just calling out names. Ratnashri.
No problem.
Sir, option 3.
Option 3.
Yeah, option
Rupa Sudha. Rupa Sudha. இது என்னன்னாக்கா உங்களுக்கு வேணா தமிழ்ல எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்றேன்.
சொல்லுங்க சார்.
இப்ப எப்படி 40 சூத்திரம் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோமோ 5 நாளைக்கு அதே மாதிரி பண்றது. இப்ப என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோமோ அது மாதிரி பண்றது. அது ஆப்ஷன் 1. ஆப்ஷன் 2 வந்து we finish the அஷ்டாத்யாயி very fast. 40 சூத்திரம் இன்னைக்கு 40 நாளைக்கு 40 like that I will finish the அஷ்டாத்யாயி very fast. One upadesha will be over. That is option 2. Option 3 is working with you. Working naka ungaloda சேர்ந்து நீங்க மூணாவது அத்தியாயம் நெட்ரி பண்ற வந்து நான் உங்களோடயே ரிப்பீட் பண்ண வச்சு நீங்க சொன்னப்புறம் தான் முன்னாடி போறது அந்த மாதிரி. This is option 3. நீங்க எந்த ஆப்ஷன் ப்ரிஃபர் பண்றீங்க?
முதல்ல சொன்னது 40 வந்து ரொம்ப கம்ஃபர்ட்டபிளா இருக்குங்க சார். 40 வந்து சிம்பிளா சொல்றது, ஆனா சான்சஸ் வந்து கம்மியா வருது, ரொம்ப லேட்டா வருது. இப்ப நாடி அப்படிதான் உங்களுக்கு பண்ணிட்டே இருந்தேன். இப்ப நடுவுல இந்த 1 மாசம் 2 மாசத்துல வந்து டைம் நமக்கு நாங்க சான் பண்றதுக்கு எங்களுக்கு டைம் கிடைக்க மாட்டேங்குது. அந்த சாய்ஸஸ் வர்றது ரொம்ப லேட்டா வருது, சைக்கிள் வர்றது லேட்டா வருது. half an hourல வந்து எல்லாத்தையும் உங்களால கவர் பண்ண முடியாது.
இல்ல அது
ஆனா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்து அந்த 40 சொல்றது வந்து சார்.
Prasanna Venkatesh, you explain the options to your mother and let me know what is her option. I will come back to you. Prasanna.
First one.
Okay, Mahodaya.
ஒரு தடவை தமிழ்ல சொல்லிடுப்பா அவளுக்கு.
Okay, Mahodaya.
நான் உங்கள்ட்ட வரேன். Yes, Ramakrishnan, what is your option?
My option is 3, sir. At least we can be definite about our by hearting.
Okay, Saurabh ji.
Yeah, option 1, sir.
Option 1. Shashi Gowda.
Option 3, Mahodaya.
Option 3. Sudha Shrikant.
Option 3, Mahodaya.
Option 3. Surya Narayan M. Surya Narayan.
Option 1, sir.
Option 1. Sushila.
Option 3.
Option 3. Uma. Uma Bagini.
Option 1. Option 1.
Option 1. Vijaya Hetirajan.
Option 1 only, Ji.
Option 1. Okay, very good.
Shall I tell the reason for this? See, when we are studying all the Vyakarana classes, when we are attending all the classes, we should know what is the exact pronunciation of all the sutras. So if you are by your chanting, we can get accustomed with sutras, how it is going, what is the break, everything we can know. So my preference goes for point 1.
Okay, very good. Now there are two more people. Ishu, who has not given her option. Ishu, I think she is not there now. Anyway. There is Rupa Sudha. Now, Rupa Sudha Bagini, what is your option? Option
First option, Mahodaya.
First option. Okay. Now
Mahodaya?
again, thank you. Okay. Pratibha Bagini is noting down. So
Thank
how many? So we are 23 people. I think 21 votes bandirutte nimage. You must have got 21 notes, I think, Pratibha Bagini.
24, Mahodaya.
24 votes bandidya. Oh, where do we have 2 votes?
23.
Except Ishu and me, I am also one person. I have not voted.
Ramachandran Srinivasan, I considered as 2. That's why it became one more. Yes.
Okay, you should have got 22 votes actually. Ishu and myself not included. Ishu, what is your vote? Ishu, idira ನೀವು?
ಶ್ರೂಯತೆ ವಾ ಮಹೋದಯ?
ಹೇಳಿಪ್ಪ. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? इदानीं श्रूयते इशू भगिनी वदतु। इशू भगिनी ओके ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. So now we have got some votes. Again I will from the thing it appears that everybody most of them have voted for 3 and 1. Nobody has voted for 2. That is a very good sign. That is a very good sign of a learner. None of you voted for the second option. So I am very happy that option 2 has not been selected by anybody. Now with regard to option 1 and 2, again I am not going to select based on the number or something, but I understood that majority wants this. But we have to see the practicality. See, for option 1, if we continue in the same way, Vyoma as a company has to finish this course sometime. I as a teacher, if I am allocated for this course and for some other course, I cannot take up anything else, even though I am aware of so many things, unless I finish this course. As a teacher, I am very bound. I am actually bound and committed to complete this course fully before I take up something else. Though I am Ashtadhyayi Amarakosha, I want to teach Ramayana, Parayanam, how Parayana skills can be improved. I want to teach some Bhagavatam. I want to teach some Sanskrit grammar. I have a lot of things in my own list which I want to teach.
Dvitiya
Kanda, I have come. I am doing a small strategy there. There are different experts who have to do that. Dvitiya Kanda, Amarakosha, I have to continue and close it. That is also there. But Pratibha Bagini will never leave me until I finish that. She is making sure that I do that, because suppose out of sight, out of mind. So she joined as soon as she is one student who joined the Ashtadhyayi class after the Amarakosha class was over. She made sure that she sees me every day and she reminds me of every. So she tells me Amarakosha is yet to announce the class. She keeps on reminding me. So this is one more. That class also I have to finish. and I do a lot of stotras for with meanings I want to tell and share my the knowledge in front of all the elderly people, so that if they know something, they can also share it with me. All these things are there in running in my mind. So I am also in a dilemma, but I know I should, as a teacher, I should do the right things both for the student and for the subject. So that is my job as a teacher. I should not think in when we are thinking in one hat, we should not wear different hats. So that is what our management lesson says. We have to wear one hat and think and take the decision. So let me think about these two options, 1 and 3, and I will communicate this to you. There are 36 people only. We have got 22 or 23 votes. There are 13 more people who have to vote, who have to give their options. Okay, now Pratibha Bhagini, you can read out. Pancharadam sir wants to know how many people voted for 1 and how many people voted for 3.
Option 1, 10 people have voted.
Okay.
And option 3, 13 people.
So it is equal, almost quite close and equal also. Equal means again, as Pancharadam sir, again it is not majority wins. It is not that. It is the decision.
And also your vote is pending, sir.
My vote is for the Vidya. It is not for learner centric approach either. That is not this one. Ashtadhyayi, if it has to be learnt in a particular way, that is my vote. What is the proven method of learning Ashtadhyayi, and that method is either 1 or 3. You have to see.
May I just say something, Mahodaya? May I just say something?
Who is that? Sudha Shrikanta?
Because you are insisting on this memorization, people like me have really taken an effort. If you just do 40 sutras and go, there is absolutely no chance like people like me will ever take the effort to memorize. So I'm very grateful to you for insisting that we should memorize.
Yes. The option 2 was to test you all. Option 2 was to test you all whether you are going to select that. Somebody wants to be out of this. That was to test you all. Option 1 and 3 was because it depends on each person's outlook and other things. Some people might have sacrificed. Let me tell you what is the thinking of people who gave option 1. Let me tell you that the people who gave option 1 have really thought about the option 3. Because of me, the class should not get delayed. Others should not get delayed. That is why they might have chosen option 1. They have not told the reason. Have not asked the reason. So it is a sacrifice which they would have done from their part when they have actually selected the option 1. It is not that they are less interested or they cannot by heart. They may be actually thinking that they will take more time. So because of me, if the class is getting delayed, I should not be the reason for the delay. Is something like that they must have thought and given the option 1. I am sure. Now you can tell how many people thought like that.
Sir, I thought like that because
Exactly.
I thought if you go for option 3,
too,
then
sir.
I might be the slowest person in the group, and I might be holding others back.
You see, that is how he has thought. I know how the student will think. I have done teaching for 30 years. This is my 32nd year of working with students. So it is when I definitely know what is the thinking. When people said option 1, in the tone itself, I can make out that this is the thinking which some people have had. I'm sure we can go around and take this one, but that is the thinking which some people have had. It is not wrong in having that thinking. That is also right. And this, so it's a very tight call which we have to take, option 1 or 3. Let me think. It is a very tightrope walk for me also. On Monday also, I will ask people. Tomorrow is Pongal and we want to have a holiday. A lot of people have written to me saying that we'll have some holiday for tomorrow, and Friday is actually not a holiday, but we, in Tamil Nadu and in Andhra, in some places, Pongal is celebrated over 3 days. So some people have requested written to me for holiday. So I thought we should give them that freedom. So tomorrow, day after, will be a holiday. We will start on the class again on Monday. There won't be any mail for that, but Monday we will go through this exercise after the teaching. The boys, especially the Patashala boys, have not told anything. They have actually, that fellow joined and suddenly he left. I don't know. We'll see. On Monday, actually, we have the highest strength. Usually on Monday and Fridays, we have the highest strength, if you have observed. So Monday, we will have the highest strength. We will ask everybody. Vaishnavi, Vadato. How many sutras?
1 to 4 adhyayas, we have 1885 sutras, Mahodaya.
Okay.
And 5th to 9th adhyayas, we have 2498 sutras.
So
5 to 8.
What is the percentage we have completion? How much percentage we have completed? Total, how many sutras and how much we have completed? So where is Vaishnavi's 1885 divided by 1885. Next is
2498. Total 4383.
4383. No, it is high. It is very high. It is around 4000 only.
Okay, I'll recount and tell on Monday.
Recount and tell. 2498 is slightly this one. So it is around 4000 sutras. So we are, as Pancharadam sir said, we have almost completed 45%. We are almost there. 45 we have completed. 40 to 45% we have completed. We are yet to complete 55% of the structure of Ashtadhyayi. So this is the status, and whatever time it has taken, it has taken that much time. If we stop learning new sutras, then it will take more time to by heart this one. The gap between the new and the old will be more. That is what I am thinking now.
Shall I tell the counting in first adhyaya? 351, and second adhyaya 228, and the third adhyaya 631, and fourth adhyaya 635.
We will come to the math later. I will do the math myself, and I will come back to you. So this is the this is something that I wanted to share with you all the thoughts that I had. I think I have got good feedback from you all. Now that you are all really interested in learning Ashtadhyayi, I am very happy, and I'm happy that you all don't want to stop. Exactly. Important thing is we must continue learning. That's what Pancharadam sir has said.
Mahodaya, can I suggest something?
Yes,
Mahodaya? One more option can be thought of. That is chanting by hearting. That should also continue in addition to going for the new chapters. So that both the spirit will be maintained. For the teacher's point of view also, the things are moving. And the student also, people like us, we should have the satisfaction of by hearting and telling. Everybody should have that. That is a principle of Adhyaya is to by heart. That is no doubt. But at the same time, teacher has to complete it, as you say. So we can start with, at the same time, chanting by hearting should also form part of it.
That is option one. That is option one.
That's option one. By hearting is there. Is there?
Now what we are doing? It will be slow. Yeah. It will be slow. By hearting is there. Definitely it is there. Option 1 is that only. Option 1 is to go.
Then option both should go together. Maybe not that fast as in the earlier stages, but we can stop for a certain period and take the people who are by hearting and chanting, and after a certain period we can continue the next new chapter like that. It is a via media, so that we can finish at the same time a little bit slower, at the same time taking care of people who want to by heart and chant. That should be the spirit of, so that it will be safeguarding both the.
That is option 1. That is why option 1 many people have.
Then option 1 is the right thing. That in my way. Okay. I have given option 3 only because I want to do the by hearting. Maybe slower, but I can by heart it. That is definite. But I think option 3 may be faster at the time of. But it will be slower, I think. If we take the option 3,
option 3 is slower. It will increase. It will increase the number of classes, and it will increase by 1 year. Suppose we are going to finish this.
That is not a. I think that may not be a right thing. I think for.
Today is January 13th. Next December or November we will finish 8 adhyayas by God's grace. If we go in this speed. In option 1,
we can have, as you say, 40 sutras in 1 week. Definitely we can by heart and tell 40 sutras. Every week 40 sutras we can have the target for people, elder people. Of course, there is no target for smaller children. We have got other works. That's why there is other works. We could not find time because chanting means it may take 2 hours for by hearting the 40 sutras in a week. Even we would sit daily and chant it like that. So 40 sutras in a week means I think it is a good progress for the elders. Is it, sir?
That was what was planned, and that was what was being executed till date. 40 sutras per week was the plan.
Yes, that is the 40 sutras. Even certain people may say that 20, that is also right. Let them come 50% slower. But anyhow, 40 we can have the target for a week.
Okay. Okay, I have taken inputs from everybody. If anybody else wants to share something, we can share.
Because the spirit will go if we don't by heart. Ashtadhyayi means by hearting only. That is the formula. There is no, otherwise there is no meaning in learning the Ashtadhyayi, as you say. You are told 100 ample number of times that.
Okay. Anybody wants to tell something? Suryanarayan Mahodaya has written 2 classes you do teaching and 3 classes you do revision, something like that. That kind of bifurcation can be done, but Panchanadam sir, you can log off if you want to go. That kind of so next class is on Monday only, so there is no class next to 2 days. That kind of bifurcation can be done, but we will do it. That will be new lessons will be taught on 1 day, and see that will what will happen is that much of even after if you at least chant with me for 5 days, there is a chance that you remember that sutra. I somehow have heard this word. If I reduce that to 2 days, what will happen is it is option 2. Coming back to option 2. Option 2 is a dangerous option. It is an option means from my side everything will be over. From your side nothing will be over.
Nothing will be over.
From my side I will finish the portions and say. So 5 to 8 2000 sutras. So. Vaishnavi has recalculated that 2098 sutras pending. So approximately 45% we have done, 45-46% we have done. 3984 is the number of sutras. Yes, 3984 is the total sutras, and we have done so much. So this divided by this. We have exactly completed 47%. There is 53% more. As per the math, what she has given now is right. What she gave earlier was incorrect. So we have finished 47% of Ashtadhyayi now. As per the portions, how much we have by hearted is something we have to know. Okay, so let me think about all these options. We will have one more round of discussion on Monday, if time permits. Then I will take a decision and communicate. But Monday class is there, and Monday we might go for the revision. Before I take a decision, I have to consult others also. It's not I am only taking decision. We have people in Vyoma Labs. There is a linguistic team is there. Linguistic scholars are there. We have other scholars who have their own opinions. Then the board of advisors are there. I have to talk to them, and by the time I make the decision, I think by Monday I will have some clear picture with this regarding this. But either 1 or 3 Ashtadhyayi we continue learning. Right. Dhanyavadaha. Thank you for this. Thank you for your time. We have extended the time. Thank you for your time. स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु। राम राम राम। नमस्ते।
धन्यवादः महोदय।
धन्यवादः महोदय। राम राम महोदय। शुभ मकर संक्रांति।
शुभ मकर संक्रांति।